In a recent video, I flashed a shot of me sprinkling cayenne pepper in my birch bark tubes that I used to put my digital recorders into when sampling the sounds of my nighttime woods. I do this in an effort to keep the slugs off my recorder and maybe catch something being nosy. Well, I got a little story for you, with a great capture to cap it all off. Before I forget, in case anyone is trying to duplicate what I'm doing here, I just have to advise against driving your vehicle with your birch bark tubes hanging anywhere near the fan vents if you're using cayenne pepper this way. As a matter of fact, I advise you carefully put them in a large plastic bag in the back. Wow, did that ever ruin a full day the first time I drove down with them in there. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, a little story. So, like I said, I've been using cayenne pepper with great success these past few months. No more slugs. The second prong on the approach has to do with my frustration with countless past recordings where I could swear something comes in every time I set my audio out and messes with it. Always with the touching. Been happening for years. Slow, deliberate, very heavy, yet very quiet footsteps. So quiet I could never quite make heads or tails as to what I was actually listening to. Hanging around for hours at times, as if curious. Nothing happens if I put my audio next to my trail cam though. I get nothing on audio when I have my trail cam running, ever. So I figured, if they're going to be nosy, at least I'm going to hear what they sound like if they sneeze, or breathe louder because of the cayenne pepper. Then maybe they'll stop destroying my birch tubes as well. Anyways, give this a listen. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell to get notifications when I post a new video.